Hello,
Oh,
how are you?
I am good.
I am good. All right, but why are you like that? I thought you're good. All right. Oh, have you eaten? Did you eat? All right. What did you eat? What did you eat? Did you eat rice? Oh, you eat rice. Okay, very good. How is the weather today? Is it hot or cold? Is it hot or cold?
Not hot and not cold.
Not hot, not cold. It's just okay. Okay, very good. So for today, all right, we'll be learning through our book. Let me share my screen. Okay, so here we're gonna learn more about nature. All right. So here, this is our planet. So Earth, the Earth orbits the sun in space. All right, orbit. Inside Earth is a hot core of liquid rock. Around the outside of the Earth, there are gases called Earth's atmosphere. So Earth was formed a very long time ago. Its landscape and wildfire have changed over time. Okay? Now let's read all these words. All right? This is Earth.
Earth,
Very good. This one, outer space.
outer space,
All right, outer space. And then moon.
moon,
Very good. All right. Now, all right. Let's see other. All right. And then this one is land.
and
Very good. It's land. Okay. Now these are some landscape features. This is a mountain,
mountain,
valley,
valley,
volcano,
volcano,
crater.
crystal,
Okay, crater. Very good. All right. This is a lake.
a lake,
Very good. River,
river,
rock,
rock,
spring.
spring,
Can you say it again? Spring.
spring,
Very good. Geyser.
geyser,
Very good job. So here, these are our landscape features. All right, okay. Now for this one, okay? Can you read sun? Sun.
sun,
All right.
sun,
This is the North Pole.
the North Pole,
Very good. Crust.
coast,
Very good. Meteor.
meteor,
Very good. And then these are mantle, mantle,
mantle,
inner
mantle,
core,
hmm?
inner
in core,
core,
in core,
outer core.
outer core,
Very good. Stars.
stars,
Very good. All right. Ocean.
ocean,
Very good. Atmosphere.
atmosphere,
Okay, atmosphere.
atmosphere,
Okay, South Pole.
South Pole,
Very good job. All right. And then these are some animals from a long ago. This is a dinosaur.
a dinosaur,
Very good. Mammoth.
Mammoth.
Ichthyosaur.
Ichthyosaur.
Very good. Pterosaur.
Pterosaur.
Megazostrodon.
Megazostrodon.
Very good job. All right. And then these are our renewable resources. So our world's resources. So our world is filled with useful materials. We must try not to waste them. We also need to reduce the pollution that some materials cause. All right, these are some non-renewable resources. Let's try to read them all. This is gas.
Gas.
Very good. Oil.
Oil.
Then coal.
Coal.
Very good. All right, now let's try to repeat them one by one. All right. Okay, so here, when I say, can you spell blank? So this is what I mean, okay? All right.
Yes.
Okay. Now, Chamin, can you spell gas?
Gas. Gas.
Very good job. Can you spell oil?
Oil. Oil.
Very good job. Can you spell coal?
Coal. Coal.
Very good job. Coal. Okay, very good. Now let's try to learn more about fossil fuel transport. All right. Number 1, aeroplane.
Aeroplane.
Very good. Number 2, diesel truck.
Diesel car.
Okay, diesel
Diesel
truck.
truck.
Very good. Petrol car.
Petrol car.
Very good. Okay, now let's try to spell these words. Tamin, can you spell aeroplane?
Aeroplane.
Very good. Can you spell diesel truck?
Dieseltruck.
Very good. Can you spell petrol car?
Petrolcar.
Very good. So these are our words about fossil fuel transport. Okay, now let's try to learn more about pollution. All right, can you read pollution?
Pollution.
Very good. All right, this one is an oil spill.
Oil spill.
Very good. All right, this is rubbish.
Rubbish.
Wasteful.
Wasteful.
Okay, single use.
Single use.
Throwaway.
Throw away.
Plastic.
Plastic.
Very good. All right, this is landfill.
Landfill.
Very good. All right. Okay, so here, these are words about pollution. Can you spell pollution?
Pollution. Pollution.
Very good. How about plastic?
Plastic.
Very good job. You're so good at spelling. All right. Okay. Now, okay, helping our world. All right. Can you also read this one? What things? Can you read what things?
What things can we
Recycle. All right. And what can we?
And what can we
Reuse.
reuse?
All right. To help our world, we need to do these 3 things. All right. Okay. Can you read okay, here, recycle,
Recycle,
reuse,
reuse,
reduce.
reduce.
All right. Recycle, reuse, and reduce. Okay. Now let's try to, okay. So here, these are things that you should always do. We also call them the 3 R's because it's RRR, recycle, reuse, and reduce. Okay, this one, these are our renewable resources. All right, can you read water power?
Water power,
Okay, water power.
water power.
Very good. Solar panels.
Solar panels,
Very good job. Sustainable energy.
huh? Okay,
Sus,
please.
okay. Sus,
Source,
te,
te,
na,
na,
bul,
bo,
energy.
energy.
Very good. Sustainable energy. All right. This one is a wind turbine. Wind,
Wind turbine,
okay, wind turbine.
wind turbine.
Very good. This one is a ground source heat.
Gas source heat,
Very good. Saving energy.
saving energy.
Insulate houses.
Isolate houses.
Very good job. So here, these are our renewable resources. All right. Okay, this one is a shampoo bar. Shampoo bar.
Shampoo bar,
Compostable plastic.
combustible plastic,
Pickup litter.
pickup filler,
Very good. Pickup litter. Recycling bin.
Hmm?
Recycling bin.
recycling bin,
Water butt.
water bath,
Compost.
compost.
All right, okay, so here we learned a lot of things about science and nature already. So I think it's way too information overload already. Let's try to take a break from talking about science and let's just talk about you. Okay, so Chamin, do you have a brother?
Yes,
Very good. How many brothers do you have?
one.
One. I have one brother. How about a sister?
No, no, I don't have zero.
Ah, right. So you can say, I don't have a sister. Can you read? I don't.
I don't have a sister.
Very good. But I only have a brother. How old is your brother?
9.
He's 9 years
Yeah,
old. And how old are you?
7 years old.
Ah, right. Okay. So he's 9 years old and you are 7 years old. All right. Do you play with your brother?
Yes.
Very good. What do you play with your brother? Hmm. Do you play
I
ball?
don't know. My name is Play.
Hmm. Do you play Roblox?
Yes.
Ah, you play video games with your brother. Okay. How about sports? Do you play sports?
Both.
So
I
like
don't have.
football, badminton, basketball. Do you play these? Ah,
No.
all right. You don't play these sports. All right. Okay. What is your favorite? Okay. What are your hobbies? Do you like hobbies? Or hobby? Okay, what is your hobby? Hobby.
Like
Do you like to watch TV?
no YouTuber.
YouTube. Oh
Or
yeah, kids these days.
game.
Very good. So you can say watch. Sorry. You can say I like to watch YouTube videos. All right. Can you read? I like.
I like to watch YouTube videos.
Very good. Yeah. Because back then, when we were young, there is no YouTube. All we have was TV. So we always watch TV. Okay. What are your favorite videos? Oh, who is your favorite YouTuber? Who is your favorite YouTuber?
I don't know.
All right, you don't know? Okay. Who is it? All right. There is someone like a kid. Ryan's World. Do you know Ryan's World? Do you know him?
I don't know.
Ah, you don't know him. All right. So this
I
is,
don't get to see this one.
oh, you haven't seen this one yet?
I don't see.
All right. Okay. So you don't watch this one. So this is one of the YouTubers on YouTube. This is Ryan's World. Okay. Very good. All right. So you don't know who your favorite YouTuber is. Okay. What do you watch on YouTube? What do you,
Um,
Mhm.
play game.
Playing game
I
on YouTube? YouTube, you play game here? Really? Okay. You play a game on YouTube? Yes? Okay. Wow. Didn't know you can do that. Or do you watch games? Do you watch
watch game.
people play a game on YouTube like this?
Yes.
Ah, all right. Because there are live streams out there, right? This one, live stream.
Live stream.
Mm-hmm.
No live streams.
Ah, just a regular video. Okay, so you watch them play so that it would also be interesting for you. Okay, what do you want to watch on YouTube? Who is your favorite singer? All right, okay. So, who is your best friend? Who is your best friend?
My name friends or me.
Oh, mhm.
FIFA.
Okay. So you can say my
And
best friend is
my friend is FIFA. FIFA.
FIFA. Very good job. Okay, very good job. So my best friend is FIFA. All right. Why is he your best friend?
I don't know
You
this
don't
one.
know? All right. Okay, very good. Now we're going to learn more about humans and nature. All right. Can you read?
Humans and nature.
For thousands.
Hmm?
Can you read for thousands of years?
for thousands of years.
There we have
There-
humans.
We have, have
We
much
humans
it
have made
to
nature
of
work for us.
for us.
We should do this respectfully by taking care of our planet and the things that live on it. All right, so this is humans and nature. All right, so always remember that. All right, so nature is something that we should take care of because it is our environment. And yeah, all right, okay, so here let's try to learn these nature sounds. All right, let me share another screen. I'm also gonna share sound and
Smile and learn.
Nature sounds. Oofy, where are you? Oofy,
Oofy, Oofy.
what happened, Oofy? Did you get scared by the sounds around you?
Oofy.
Don't worry, friend. I will help you learn the sounds so that you won't get scared again. Guess what? We're going to learn them with a game.
Oofy, Oofy, Oofy.
Cool. But first you'll need to hear some sounds and I will tell you what they are. When we finish, I'll ask you again to see if you remember them. Today, we'll learn nature sounds. Pay attention, Oofy. We're going to listen to the sound of rain. Very good, Oofy. Now we'll listen to the wind. Great, Oofy. Now we'll hear a river. Can you hear the water flow? How's it going, Oofy? Easy, right? Now we'll hear thunder. Don't be afraid. Focus, Oofy. Now we're going to hear birds singing. It's such a lovely sound. Awesome, Oofy. Now we'll listen to fire. This sound relaxes me a lot. Keep your ears open. We'll hear the sea. Perfect. Finally, we'll listen to a wolf howl. All okay so far, Oofy? Do you want to play a game now?
Oofy, Oofy, Oofy.
Oops, I almost forgot. Oofy doesn't know how to speak just yet. Hey you! That's right, you watching this video. Can you help out Oofy? We're going to listen to all the sounds from the beginning, and you'll need to guess which sound it is. Say the sound out loud so that Oofy can hear you nice and clear. Let's play! Which sound is this?
River.
so it's the sound of the
River.
let's see.
It's rain.
It's rain. It's rain when it's raining. All right, so that's the sound of rain. All right, let's see the next one.
Well done. And the next one, which is it?
Don't know name this one. Yeah, I
Wind.
don't know name.
Way to go!
Right, this is wind. Can you say wind?
Wind.
All right, so when it's windy, there's wind. Oh, like that. Wind.
Oh. Can you guess the next sound?
Ocean. Or sea. I guess
It's a
sea.
river! Right.
The river. You got confused. All right, so river is a flowing sound. So this thing is a river. All right, okay, next one.
Dam. Which sound is this?
What do you call that?
It's thunder.
I forgot to pause. Okay, this is called thunder. Oh, thunder.
Thunder.
Very good.
You're doing great! How about this sound? What could it be?
Oh, sorry.
Bird singing. I get to
They are
bird singing.
birds singing.
All right, these are birds. They're birds singing. All right. Okay, next one. Oh.
Awesome! Can you guess which sound this is?
All right, what is this?
Fire.
It's the sound of fire.
Very good
Super
job.
duper. How about this sound? What is it?
Ocean or sea.
Let's see.
That's the sound of the
Very
sea.
good.
Good job.
Sea.
One more to go. Which will it be?
A wolf.
Let's see. Is it the wolf?
It's a wolf.
Very
Impressive.
good. All right. So these
Thank
are
you so much for helping Oofy to learn nature sounds.
all right about nature. All right. So aside from reading our words, we also learned how they sound like. All right, such as the river, the sea, and even learned other words such as wind and everything else. All right, okay. So for today, all right. So since my okay, hold on. Let me share my translate. All right. Okay, because my Zoom account is only basic, let's leave this call and then come back again to finish our lesson.
เนื่องจากบัญชีซูมของฉันเป็นเพียงบัญชีพื้นฐานเท่านั้น เราออกจากสายนี้แล้วกลับมาอีกครั้งเพื่อเรียนให้จบ
Okay? All right. Okay, see you later and bye. Goodbye.